Hi everyone, my name is Silas and I'm here to teach you everything I know about photography, share with you my experience and also give you some tips and tricks on what goes on behind the lens. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell so that you notify anytime we post a new video. If you are really passionate about photography, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you are in the right place. On this channel, I'll be taking you through some behind the scenes and I'll be giving you some tips and tricks of how to take some shots and also how I get some shots. And after that, then I'll be giving you a post-production where I turn raw images to stunning images. So this channel is all about behind the lens, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you click on the notification button.
Got it! Got it!
If you are ready to step up your photography game, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you don't miss any fun. And if you have any questions or you have any topic you want to learn about, make sure you drop it in the comment section and I would love to hear from you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I can't wait to share all behind the scenes, short and exciting, fun time with you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.